Unit 14. Daily Activities. Page 24. Lesson 1. Activity 1. Look, listen, and repeat. A.
What's your hobby, Mai?
I like watching TV.
B.
When do you watch TV?
I watch TV in the evening.
Page 24. Lesson 1. Activity 2. Listen, point, and say. A.
In the morning.
B.
At noon.
C.
In the afternoon.
D.
In the evening.
A.
When do you watch TV?
I watch TV in the morning.
B.
When do you watch TV?
I watch TV at noon.
C.
When do you watch TV?
I watch TV in the afternoon.
D.
When do you watch TV?
I watch TV in the evening.
Page 25. Lesson 1. Activity 4. Listen and tick or cross. 1.
When do you watch TV?
In the evening.
2.
When do you read books? In the afternoon.
3.
When do you watch TV?
At noon.
4.
When do you read books? In the morning.
Page 25. Lesson 1. Activity 6. Let's sing. When do you watch TV and read books?
When do you watch TV?
I watch TV in the afternoon.
When do you read books?
I read books in the evening.
When do you watch TV?
I watch TV at noon.
When do you read books?
I read books in the morning.
Page 26. Lesson 2. Activity 1. Look, listen, and repeat. A.
What do you do on Sundays, Ling? I do the housework.
B.
What do you do in the morning? I clean the floor.
Page 26. Lesson 2. Activity 2. Listen, point, and say. A.
Wash the clothes.
B.
Clean the floor.
C.
Help with the cooking.
D.
Wash the dishes.
A.
What do you do in the morning?
I wash the clothes.
B.
What do you do in the morning?
I clean the floor.
C.
What do you do in the morning?
I help with the cooking.
D.
What do you do in the morning?
I wash the dishes.
Page 27. Lesson 2. Activity 4. Listen and number. 1.
What do you do in the morning?
I wash my clothes.
2.
What do you do at noon?
I wash the dishes.
3.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I clean the floor.
4.
What do you do in the evening?
I help my mum with the cooking.
Page 28. Lesson 3. Activity 1. Listen and repeat.
Watch. When do you watch TV? Sh. Wash. I wash my clothes in the evening.
Page 28. Lesson 3. Activity 2. Listen and circle. 1.
When do you wash your clothes?
2.
When does your sister watch TV?
Page 28. Lesson 3. Activity 3. Let's chant.
Watch TV. Watch TV. Do you watch TV? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. When do you watch TV?
In the evening. In the evening.
Wash clothes. Wash clothes. Do you wash your clothes? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. When do you wash your clothes?